Sterling?
Degrees.
It begins.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Loudon County in northern Virginia, eastern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, central Clark County in northwestern Virginia, southern Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Berryville, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Charlestown, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Charlestown, Purcellville, Berryville, Round Hill, Harpers Ferry, Lamont, Bolivar, Hamilton, Hillsborough, Paonian Springs, Gaylord, Mearsville, Briggs, Wycliffe, Summit Point, Millville, Lincoln, Stringtown, and Ripon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia.